So this video is designed to take you directly into the Teams app, which is where we're going to spend most of our time. So we've looked at how do I log into my Office account, how do I access my OneDrive, how do I download the different Microsoft apps, and now we want to look specifically at Teams. So if you are logged in, which you should be able to do now, you will see a list down here, and this is the Microsoft Teams app. So it starts out by you having to log in, but then you just click on the Teams app. And what should come up is the Microsoft Teams platform with a list of teams that you've already been added to. You'll be added to teams, and essentially teams that you're a part of because you're in a class. Okay, so if you're not seeing yourself on a class that you should be, then that's a problem and you should get that checked with your teacher. What will pop up is you can actually get a Windows app. I have it, it's right here. Okay, and it's just a nice, somewhat more functional, I find, than the online version, but you can always use the online version as well. So if we use the web app instead, this is what comes up. And what you really have to be able to do is you have to be able to, first of all, find the team. Where are my classes? Okay, and they will show up right here. So if you click this Teams, you will see the teams that, again, I'm using Allie's login, but these are the teams that she is a part of. If you're using the desktop app, if you went that route, you will see something very similar. Okay. Once you know where your teams are, then you kind of have to be able to navigate the general channel, because that one is important for you to use, and probably the one you're really going to use. So you will see under here there's different channels, and in this testing group there's a general and there's a group A. For most of what you're going to do, you're probably going to want this general channel. So you will notice when you get into the general channel, you'll notice it mentions here that there are tabs for posts, files, class notebook, assignments, and grades. And we will use that in different videos to sort of explain what are these things, what is this post thing, what are these files. We're going to go through those in different videos, but they're kind of where you're going to navigate to things that you're looking for. Okay, if you have sometimes a different channel, your teacher may use that to do a group project, for example. They may set up a group A, like here, where only the people in your group can see that channel. So you can use that to interact with just the people in your group. So that's the difference between the different channels. Okay, but the general channel is really where we're going to spend most of our time. And so in the next few videos, we'll talk through what those different things are. What's post, files, class notebook, assignments, and grades? What are those? Okay, but essentially what it allows you to do is navigate with everybody in the general channel, and then in the additional channels, you will also be able to navigate just with the people that are added to that channel, and that's moderated or controlled by your teacher. Okay, so that's the general channel. That's how you get into Teams, and it's very important that you know how to do that so that we can go through the rest of the training.